Fleming with MarineMax Stuart. Give you a quick tour of the 235 Scat today. This boat's equipped with a 250 Mercury. As we got up here, you notice the boat has plenty of cockpit space, very roomy boat for a 23 footer. We've got a pull-out bench seat in the stern here. As we work our way to the helm, this boat's equipped with a 9-inch Garmin, Fusion stereo, JL audio speakers, everything top of the line. Tons of seating up front also. In addition to that, nice big storage area. Storage under here as well. Backrest and cushions are all removable if you do want to take them off and do some more hardcore fishing. So come by, see us today. Again, I'm Carl Fleming with MarineMax Stuart. My number is 772-349-4178. Have a good day.